Hi, hello, welcome back. So today we will be seeing about anesthesia modifier, that is AD modifier. Okay, so before entering into the video, you have to understand like what is the exact definition for this modifier and what is the purpose, how we should use it. So the definition of AD modifier indicates that an anesthesiologist is supervising more than 4 concurrent anesthesia procedures. Okay, so here the keyword is the anesthesiologist is supervising more than 4 concurrent anesthesia procedure. So the purpose of AD modifier specifies that the anesthesiologist is overseeing more than 4 procedures simultaneously. So that is the purpose of this modifier. And then you have to understand like what is the difference from all these modifiers. As we previously discussed, if you are watching for the first time, you can go through the playlist for all the modifiers along with the examples I have given. So you have to understand what is the difference between all these modifiers. Okay, and I have added an examples here. So first example is for anesthesia for multiple surgery. So here anesthesiologist is supervising anesthesia for 5 different patients undergoing various surgeries concurrently. So each patient is under the care of a separate CRNA. So based on that, you have to assign the CPT code along with AD modifier. And here the second example, the anesthesiologist is supervising anesthesia for 6 patients undergoing various surgeries including cesarean concurrently. Each patient has a separate CRNA. So understand the CPT code and assign the modifier. Third example, anesthesiologist is supervising anesthesia for 8 patients undergoing various surgeries concurrently. So assign the CPT modifier along with the modifier AD. And the common mistakes which should be avoided is also given here. You have to count the number of procedures and properly assign the CPT modifier, as well as the proper tips which we have to follow for assigning this modifier is also given here. So understand this and understand the example so that you can easily remember where to assign this modifier. So that's all about this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any doubts, you can put it as a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.